Hey guys, this is Buddy. I know it's been a long time since I did a video. But today, I wanted to show you how I can do my own hair. You want to see? Great. First, I'm going to use Dove, leave-in computer. Dove leave-in conditioner. 1, 2. Okay. So I'm just going to rub like this in my hair. It's almost like combing your hair like that. Now it's time for this. Texture ID. Thermal Multi Sterling Foam. Let's use Thermal Multi Sterling Foam. Oh. Now let's... What? Now let's open it. Just use this. What? Oh. Really didn't need that. Okay, let's use... See, it's coming out like a square. Now, put it in your hair. Yeah, it is my skin. Now that I'm done with my product, now that I'm done with all my products, now let's do this. I'm brushing down my sides. That's how you do your own hair by yourself. Now I'm just gonna let it dry. I'm gonna see you in a bit. Hey guys, I totally forgot to come back and it's the end of the day. But I can do it now. But my hair's dry now. Feel it, you see? Feel it. Feel it. Feel it. That's it.
Yes, it's dry.
Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.